Small bike day. Hey, thanks for checking out the videos. I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. It's been a while since I've been to Kanuga Bike Park, and right away when I pulled in, quite a bit's changed. There's a lot of neat things to do right when you pull up. I was able to hit these progressive drops. There's a nice little rock garden that they have going along the side of the shop, and yeah, it's a really pretty spot. Big, nice gravel driveway. The shop is fully stocked. Snacks, rental bikes, a repair shop, and then right off to the side here is a progressive jump line. So there's a big black line, a blue line, and then a green line.
Shimmy, shimmy.
And you know, within 5 minutes of pulling up, getting our wristbands and getting going, we were doing some warm-up laps on this green trail here. And while it was fun, I didn't have my knee pads, or I didn't really have anything on. I just got on my trail bike. Unfortunately, on the blue line, I did end up having a slide out and kind of scratched my knee up pretty bad, but it didn't slow me down, and we moved on to the other side of the street.
Got it.
Well, one thing that's not changed about Kanuga is the climb.
I've been to Kanuga a few times, and I'm pretty familiar with the standard trails here. However, I was pretty excited when we got up to the top. There was actually 2 new trails, Beekeeper and Deadwood, so we decided to start with Beekeeper, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Just a little bit of fun POV, us warming up before Downhill Southeast Race 2. My knee was a little banged up, so I was kind of trying to take it easy, and Steven was trying to remind me to take it easy, but we still had some fun. Kanuga's definitely gotten better and better in my opinion. The trails were awesome, the facilities are awesome, and I look forward to going back and riding again. And I was just reminded that you know, Kanuga's a great place to go ride, so I hope you get to go check it out if you haven't before. And I hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and we'll see you on the next one.
I was not ready. Braking bumps. You. Rolling. Whoa, whoa. Slow down a little bit. There. Whoa. Whoa. Here, let me get up, let me get up. Aw. Slow down a little bit. This is your first time through here, Dad. Don't forget what you just did. Here, let me eat some. Let me eat some. I can't. You're. All right. Holy crap! What? Yeah. Whoa! It gets steep. Slow down. Slow down. This is sick.
Where are we?
At the bottom. Whoa. Tortega. Please do not hurt yourself.